In this video, I will help you find the best around-neck Bluetooth headphones in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have V-Moda Forza Metallo wireless headphones, best for quality. False. At number 4, we have Bose Quiet Control 30 headphones, best for noise cancellation. For unparalleled noise cancellation capabilities and exceptional sound quality, the Bose Quiet Control 30 headphones are a top choice in the neckband headphones market. These headphones are well known for their effective noise-canceling technology that truly immerses you in your music or calls by blocking out external sounds. The design includes easy-to-use playback controls on the right arm, ensuring convenience and functionality. Comfort is key with these headphones, as they sit comfortably around your neck and in your ears for extended listening sessions. When it comes to sound quality, the Bose Quiet Control 30 headphones deliver a fantastic audio experience. The bass is rich and well-defined, the mid-range is balanced, and the high-end is crisp, providing a detailed and enjoyable listening experience across various music genres. The noise cancellation feature is top-notch, effectively reducing ambient noise without compromising sound quality. While these headphones come at a higher price point of $299, the quality and performance justify the cost. Tech experts praise the Bose Quiet Control 30 headphones for their sound, comfort, and noise cancellation capabilities, making them a solid investment for those seeking a premium listening experience. At number 3, we have JBL UA Sport Wireless Flex headphones, best for sports. Looking for headphones designed specifically for sports activities? The JBL UA Sport Wireless Flex headphones are a great option. Developed through a collaboration between JBL and Under Armour, these headphones are designed to be easy to use, comfortable, and stay securely on your neck during workouts. The adjustable design allows you to customize the fit to your liking. Additionally, the built-in light on the back of the headphones is perfect for nighttime runners or cyclists. In terms of sound quality, the JBL UA Sport Wireless Flex headphones deliver a good balance. They provide ample bass for those who enjoy an extra kick during their workouts, warm mids, and decent high-end response. While the high-end may lack a bit of detail, the focus on bass response is suitable for many sports enthusiasts. Reviewers have praised the headphones for their design and customization options, earning them favorable ratings. If you're looking for sports headphones that offer a good balance of features and affordability, the JBL UA Sport Wireless Flex headphones are worth considering. At number 2, we have Soul Republic Shadow Wireless Headphones, best for budget. I found a budget-friendly option in the Soul Republic Shadow Wireless Headphones. These headphones offer a sleek design with convenient controls on the right arm for volume and playback. Available in black, black/red, gray, and gold, they provide a variety of color options to suit your style. While not the most comfortable for sports, they deliver impressive sound quality for their price range. The Soul Republic Shadow wireless headphones feature a good amount of bass response, a well-balanced mid-range, and detailed highs, which is a rare find in more affordable headphones. However, they fall short in some areas. The fit isn't as snug as other models, and the battery life lasts for 8 hours, which is decent but not exceptional. Despite these drawbacks, reviewers have given them positive ratings, with CNET scoring them 7.8 out of 10 and Android Police rating them 9 out of 10. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with solid sound quality and a stylish design, the Soul Republic Shadow wireless headphones could be the right choice for you. At number 1, we have LG Tone Platinum Plus headphones, best for Google Assistant support. The LG Tone Platinum Plus headphones stand out as an exceptional choice for those seeking top-notch Google Assistant support. These headphones offer seamless integration with Google Assistant, allowing you to access your virtual assistant with a simple voice command. With Google Assistant built in, you can send messages, make calls, set reminders, and get answers to your questions without having to take out your phone. The convenience of having Google Assistant readily available at your fingertips enhances the overall user experience. In addition to their Google Assistant support, the LG Tone Platinum Plus headphones deliver impressive sound quality with balanced mids, crisp highs, and deep bass. The sleek and ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit for extended wear, making them ideal for daily use. The headphones also feature retractable earbuds for easy storage when not in use. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a busy professional, or a music enthusiast, the LG Tone Platinum Plus headphones offer a compelling blend of functionality and performance, making them a top choice for those who prioritize Google Assistant support in their headphones.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.